Yeah, my name is Oluwaseun, and I'm here to show you my website. The name of my website is Boskol Ecommerce. So let me sign up as a user. So you write your name, your last name, and then you write the email if you are signing up as a user. At Gmail. Then you write your password too. Then you've signed up as a user like this. Then you can add items to cart. The two items, this one is added, plus the other one. I've added it to cart as a user if you want to buy something. Then let me go to cart. Like you can see, they are being added as a user, so you can delete. You can delete if you want to change your mind. So let me check out. So this still as a user. Then you write your phone number, your apartment. Then you select payment method. Then you can place your order. So your order has been placed. Like you can see, thank you, your order has been placed successfully. Then shows the amount you paid and your apartment. So that's for the user. Then let me log in as an admin. Then this is if you want to log in as an admin. You write your name. It's only the admin that has access to this. And normal password. Okay. So this is for the admin. Then you can see some pending items. You can approve it, and you can also view the items. As you can see, I'm viewing this other item too. You can see this product 19V4. Then I can approve it. Then let me go to the product. I can also edit the product. For example, let me choose a picture. Yeah, this picture is too large, it won't work. It won't work because the database restriction that will intentionally reduce the size of the image has been uploaded to the website. So that's why the picture won't, like can see it said the file is too large. So you have to pick a picture that would pick an image that would go with it. So let me add this to cart now. I gave you the reason why that one won't work, because the database restriction won't intentionally restrict the size of the image. So let me, this one will be added now. So the address has been updated. So let me go to products. You will see here, as you can see, the wristwatch here has been updated. So I've added it. So I can also delete a product as an admin. You can see it has been deleted. Yeah, and this is a security measure for SSL. The padlock you are seeing here is for SSL, the security measure for SSL. So as an admin, I can also I have seen I've added the project, then I can sign out. As an admin, then the security measure that is being taken is only the admin that can log in into this. A user can log in into the product. That's the security measure that has been taken. Now you can't access these pages. It's only the admin that can access the page. Only the admin. So the padlock is an SQL security, SSL security. So let me go back. Admin products. Meet products.php. So it will take you back to the page. As you can see here, so only the admin can log in. So that's for the admin, and I've showed you the one for the user earlier. So let me answer the questions. The one that talks about methodology and all. The answer for number one, the startup and size of the business is a small project, so waterfall fits. It uses clear structure, it moves step by step. Because the business is a small business, waterfall methodology is easier to control and to explain to staff. It also determines the end goal early. One of the defining steps of waterfall is committing to an end product, goal, or deliverable at the beginning, and teams should avoid deviating from the commitments for small projects where goals are clear. These steps makes your team aware of the overall goal from the beginning. It has good documentation procedure. And for number two, the answer is the one I used is input validation. This is the proper input verification entered by every participant in the program in order to deter feedback from a malicious user, validation, and sanitization are very necessary to avoid the insertion of inappropriate type of data into the software application. Any injection attacks such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting may result in inappropriate input validation and sanitization of input fields. SQL injection is an attacker using a malicious SQL declaration to mess with the requests that are made to the application. Encryption of the data. The exposure of sensitive data like password should be avoided or prevented by not storing data or transmitting data in plain text or using weak encryption to protect data using SSL or TLS for password encryption, using SHA and using HTTPS. Restricting the file types must enter the database. Ensure that the right type of documents you are collecting is what it gives. If the hacker manages to gain access into the system, he can use the upload section to upload malicious code from his file, which can result to damages and exposure of the database. Session timed out. This automatically signs an individual out after a particular number of time set by the developer. So if you leave the application, it will be session timed out. The answer for number 3 is CSRF token is a secure random token, e.g. synchronizer token or challenge token that is used to prevent CSRF attacks. The token needs to be unique per user session and should be of larger random value to make it difficult to guess. A CRSF secure application assigns a unique CRSF token for every user session. These tokens are inserted within hidden parameters of HTML forms related in critical server-side operations. They are then sent to client browsers. And the answer for number 4 is integration testing and performance testing. Integration testing, this is the testing of different modules of the application to check if they work together properly. While performance testing, this measures the speed and responsiveness of the site, how quickly out actions taken, function, testing the buttons and call in actions. Thank you.